Jai Srimanarayana. 28th sloka of 13th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Karya Karana Kartrutve Hetuhu Prakrutihi Uchyate पुरुषः सुखदुःखानां भोक्तृत्वे हेतुरुच्यते। ओम Realize and remember that while you are traveling through your body, you are supposed to nullify all your karma. Keep doing only the best, good karma, but do not take the credit of doing that karma to you. Give the credit to Sri Krishna Paramatma, thinking that you are just an instrument in the hands of Sri Krishna Paramatma. Keep doing good karma. With that, you will be able to nullify entire karma and you can be very pure. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I realize that, I shall always remember that while I am traveling through my body, I can nullify entire karma and I can become pure. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall start doing good karma and give that entire credit to you. I shall act as an instrument in your hands. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukhamukadamrutadravasanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandham 10th Skandham 247th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Krishna, Putana tried to kill you, but you gave moksham to her in return. And here in Nandavraj, every resident, they dedicated themselves to you. So what kind of greatest fruit that is going to be given to them by you? But, O Krishna, you are an embodiment of a personification of all the fruits. Such great you yourself is readily available to each and everyone forever in that Nandavraj. What else they would want? O Krishna, in general, Ragadayaha stenastavat karagruham gruham. All the mundane desires, they will become obstacles for everyone to reach you. If the same desire is goes to yourself, that means if the desire is something becomes desiring you, that will help them to attain moksham. O Krishna, until any attachment develops with you, all the people's Atma Jnanam is stolen by all the bad qualities, raga, dveshas. Once the attachment developed with you, the same raga, dvesham help an individual to attain moksham, to attain you. Hey Bhagavan, in fact, you did not have to come down and take any body here in this world, but you are taking. Why? Prapanna janata ananda sandoham pradhitum prabho. Ashrayinchu janulaku ananda sandohamiyadalanchi. Ee prapanchambuna velaya cheyudivu Vishwamurti. You come down only to make your devotees happy and only to show your divine glory, miraculous activities to your devotees. That is the ultimate purpose for every one of your avatarams. Like that, Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 13th chapter, 20th sloka. Karyakarana kartrutve hetuh prakruti ruchyate. Purushas sukha dukkhanam bhoktrutve hetu ruchyate. Karyakarana kartrutve hetuh prakruti ruchyate. Purushas sukha dukkhanam bhoktrutve hetu ruchyate. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.